Build workflow. From prompt to production code. O2. Ship Claude Basics. Lesson 7. Video 2. In the last video, you made a plan. You've got your problem, your solution, your 3 features, and your success criteria. Now it's time to turn that plan into a real working product. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete build workflow. 5 phases from opening Claude to having production-ready code. And I'm going to build a simple SaaS landing page live from scratch. Let's go.
Phase 1 is the planning session. You already have your MVP plan. Now, turn it into a conversation with Claude. You're not just dumping your plan and saying, build this. You're having a back and forth. Always include, ask me clarifying questions first. This is a conversation, not a one-shot command. Watch what Claude does with this. It asks questions that reveal things you hadn't considered.
Phase 2. Generate the initial code base. After answering Claude's questions, tell Claude to go ahead. Here's what to expect. The first version will be functional but rough. It won't look like a finished product, and that is completely fine. Remember from lesson 3, iteration is the superpower. Pay attention to 3 things. Did Claude create a logical file structure? Does the code match your plan? Did Claude include setup instructions?
Phase 3. Run it locally and test. This is where your MVP comes to life for the first time. Take the code Claude generated, set it up on your computer, and see it in your browser. Is it perfect? No. The spacing might be off, the hero section needs work, but it's real. It exists. And we're about to make it better.
Phase 4 is where the magic happens. Iterate and refine. This is the core of building with Claude. You look at what you have, identify what needs to change, and tell Claude specifically what to fix. Expect 3 to 5 iterations from first code to ready to deploy. That's not a failure. That's the process. Let me show you iteration in practice. Iteration 1, layout and structure. The hero section needs more padding and a larger headline. Iteration 2, content and messaging. The feature section needs 3 cards and a grid layout. Iteration 3, polish. Make the recommended pricing plan stand out with a highlighted border. Each round, I'm specific. I test after each change. 3 iterations, rough to professional. See the pattern? Be specific about what you want changed. Test after every change and save each iteration as a Git commit so you can go back if needed. Fix 1 category of issues per iteration. Layout, then content, then styling, then polish. Phase 5. Polish for launch. This is the final pass. You're not adding new features. You're making sure everything works cleanly. Check all links and navigation. Test on mobile. Check for typos and placeholder content. Make sure images load. Test the core user flow from start to finish. Let me address the roadblocks you will hit, because you will hit them. Code doesn't run after copying from Claude? Paste the error back and ask Claude to fix it. Design doesn't look right? Be specific about what's wrong. Stuck for more than 30 minutes? Stop. Ask in the Discord community or tell Claude. Let's try a completely different approach. Feature creep? Go back to your 3 feature list. The most important thing to remember, getting stuck is part of the process. The difference between people who ship and people who don't isn't that shippers never hit problems. It's that they push through them. Let's recap the 5-phase workflow. Phase 1, plan with Claude. Phase 2, generate code. Phase 3, run and test. Phase 4, iterate and refine, 3 to 5 rounds. Phase 5, polish for launch. You just watched me build a SaaS landing page from nothing to deploy ready. Key takeaways. 5 phases from prompt to production. 3 to 5 iterations is normal, not a failure. Test after every change. Be specific in your feedback. Save iterations in Git. Stuck for 30 minutes? Change tactics. Feature creep is the enemy. And O2 Ship was built this exact way. Remember, expect rough edges in version 1. Fix 1 category per iteration. Test on mobile. And when in doubt, ask Claude or the community for help. In the next video, the final video of this entire course, we deploy. We take your MVP, put it on the internet, and ship it to the world. You're about to become a builder who ships. See you in video 3.